pwede nang matupad ang nais ni Vice President Leni Robredo na makatapat sa darating na eleksyon ang mahigpit na kalaban sa pagkapangulo at nangunguna ngayon na si dating Senador Bongbong Marcos matapos ilabas ng Comelec 2nd Division ang resulta ng inihaing disqualification petition laban kay Bongbong Marcos. Malaya na makakatakbo sa pagkapangulo si BBM dahil ibinasura na nga ang disqualification case laban sa kanya ng Comelec 2nd Division na inihain ng petitioner na kinatawan ng Abogadong si Theodore Te dahil sa kawalan umano ng sapat na merito at material misrepresentation. Dahil dito, hindi pinabura ng Commission on Elections 2nd Division ang petisyon na ikansila ang Certificate of Candidacy ni Bongbong Marcos. Isa lamang ito sa mga petisyon laban sa kandidatura ni BBM. Nakatakda rin maglabas ng resolusyon ang Comelec 1st Division para naman sa mga disqualification case na hawak nila. Nagpasalamat naman ang kampo ni Presidential Aspirant Bongbong Marcos sa naging desisyon na ito ng Comelec 2nd Division. Matatandaang sa isang pahayag kamakailan, ipinagmalaki ni Robredo na kaya niyang talunin si Bongbong Marcos at mas nanaisin niyang muli silang magharap sa darating na eleksyon kaysa sa madiskwalipika ang dating senador, na sinang-ayunan naman ni BBM. Ayon kay Bongbong Marcos, mas mainam na hindi siya madisqualify upang matupad ang gusto ni Vice President Leni Robredo.
Pahayag po kasi recently si VP Leni Robredo na sabi niya mas gusto raw po niya kayong talunin sa eleksyon para matapos raw yung pagdududa. Matapos daw siyang manalo noong 2016 dahil ino-own raw po ninyo ang social media dahil marami raw pong naniniwala na dinaya niya kayo. Your thoughts on that, sir?
Well, that's her opinion. So, wag na ako dinidisqualify. Paano niya matutupad yung gusto niya pag dinidisqualify nila ako?
So, the petition merits summary dismissal. According to the 2nd Division, the petition the petition filed by Buenafe et al. Actually contained grounds for disqualification. Now, under the rules, a petition for the cancellation of COC based on material misrepresentation can allege no other ground. But in this case, they alleged material misrepresentation as well as alleging grounds for disqualification, which under the rules would have merited summary dismissal. So, the 2nd Division notes that this case could have been dismissed summarily on that ground alone. However, the division decided to forego that particular rule and decided to simply tackle the issues to settle the matter once and for all. Second, the respondent's material representation is not false. The division had opportunity to discuss what the term material representation means, and it defined the term material representation following Supreme Court jurisprudence as something that affects the eligibility of a candidate to run. In this case, the division returned to the decision of the Court of Appeals to determine whether or not a material misrepresentation was actually made. And the division noted the following. First, the CA decision on the tax case of Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Did not contain any disqualification, right? So first, did not contain any disqualification. Second, the 2nd Division ruled that the National Internal Revenue Code of 1994 did not apply to the case because it would have that would have resulted in a retroactive application since the NIRC of 1994 took effect only 1986, whereas the cases involved in this case were 82, 83, and 84. So for this reason, when Respondent Marcos Jr. Checked the item on the COC saying that he has no disqualifications, that it was not a misrepresentation. The division further found There was no deliberate attempt to mislead. There was no deliberate attempt to mislead the commission, contrary to the allegations of the respondents. The division likewise noted that failure to file an income tax return is not a crime involving moral turpitude. All right? So those are the main points of the decision of the second division. We will make this available to you today. Okay? I do have the printed copy already, but I will make available to you the soft copy as well. So you'll be able to read it immediately. The hard copy, if anyone wants it, please just inform the Comelec, the EID staff at the press room. Okay. Moving on to other matters. We are now waiting on the final ballot phase. Please stay tuned. We might make that announcement later today. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thank you very much. Are there any questions? Okay. No questions? Okay.
Here we have
Mikhail.
po.
Go ahead.
Hi. Director James, what's the status of the cases pending with the first division, the 3 consolidated ones?
We're still waiting on those decisions. So no word yet.
Are we expecting a decision to be announced today or not?
I really can't say. I'm waiting for word from Commissioner Guanzon.
Okay. Sige, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. But basically, what happened was, so nilinaw kung ano ang tinatawag na material representation, and then, once masettle natin kung ano ang definition ng material representation, ang tanong na susunod is, mali ba yung sinabi ng kandidato? No? Ibig sabihin, nagsinungaling ba essentially yung kandidato nung sinabi niya na wala siyang disqualification? So yun. So yun yung material na misrepresentation na sinasabi. No? Material means importante kasi nagdi-define siya kung whether or not ikaw ay eligible. And then misrepresentation, totoo ba o hindi yung sinabi mo.